students, are going to teach motion part 3rd. So welcome to ASP channel, and in this part we describe about the uniform and non-uniform motion. तो यूनिफॉर्म मोशन क्या है और नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन क्या होता है? लेट अस वी नो अबाउट दिस. फर्स्टली यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. तो यूनिफॉर्म मोशन क्या है? व्हेन द बॉडी कवर्स इक्वल डिस्टेंस इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम, देन द बॉडी इज सेड टू बी यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. द बॉडी कवर्स इक्वल डिस्टेंस इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम. बराबर समय अंतराल में जब वो बराबर दूरी कवर करता है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. As the movement of Earth around the sun, जैसे the Earth moves around the sun, so that is uniform motion. It covers equal distance in equal interval of time. It in 24 hours it covers one round. Understanding? In this way, the movement of hand of a watch, जैसे घड़ी का निडल जो होता है, it also moves around circular track uniformly, so its motion is also uniform. The motion of car on a smooth road पे कार का मोशन है वह भी यूनिफॉर्म है, एक गति से चलता है, समरूप. दैट इज कॉल्ड यूनिफॉर्म. एज द बॉडी, जैसे एक बॉडी है तो इट कवर्स 5 मीटर in 1 second. Okay, then in 2 seconds 10 meter, in 3 seconds 15 meter. Equal distance in equal interval. Every second the body cover 5 meter. Understanding? In this way, this is your uniform motion. Second, non-uniform motion. So non-uniform motion क्या है? Just opposite. This is the opposite of uniform. When the body covers equal distance in unequal interval of time या unequal distance in equal interval of time, so that is called non-uniform motion. When the body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time या equal distance in unequal interval of time या unequal distance in equal interval of time, so that is called non-uniform motion. As for example, जैसे motion of freely falling body, ऊपर से जब कोई बॉडी नीचे गिरती है तो वो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन होता है. When the body comes closer to the earth, then its speed decreases. इसका स्पीड इंक्रीज कर जाता है. ओके, एंड when it comes closer to the earth, जब अर्थ के नजदीक आता है तो इसका स्पीड बढ़ जाता है, इंक्रीज कर जाता है. तो इट इज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. एंड मोशन ऑफ कार इन क्राउडेड प्लेस, यदि भीड़ भाड़ जगह में गाड़ी चल रही है तो सम time its speed increases, sometime its speed decreases. In this way, the motion of car is non-uniform. Non-uniform as in 1 second the body covers 5 meter, in 2 seconds the body covers 3 meter. Okay, the smooth surface नहीं है, uneven. In 3rd second the body covers 8 meter. In this way, the body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. ओके, या इक्वल डिस्टेंस इन अनइक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम, सेम थिंग है. तो दिस इज यूनिफॉर्म एंड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. नाउ व्हेन वी ड्रा द ग्राफ बिटवीन टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, देन वी गेट द ग्राफ ऑफ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. ओके, वी टेक टाइम ऑन x axis and distance on y axis. Okay, and we plot a graph between time and distance, then we get a graph of a straight line. This straight line graph shows the uniform motion. Okay, and the graph between time and distance of non-uniform motion. Okay, ये non-uniform motion का ग्राफ है. ग्राफ between distance and time of non-uniform motion. The time is taken on x axis and distance is taken on y axis. Then this body cover unequal distance in equal interval of time या unequal distance in equal interval या equal distance in unequal interval of time. Then we get a graph of curve line. ये curve line का ग्राफ प्राप्त होता है. So this is non-uniform. ये increasing slope है, ये increasing slope shows the increasing speed, and decreasing slope show the decreasing speed. Okay, when the slope is decreased in this way, so this is also non-uniform motion. Okay, y-axis, x-axis. So decreasing slope, this is also non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Curved line, this is also curved. Okay, so this is the graph of non-uniform motion, and this is the graph of uniform motion. Okay, in this way uniform and non-uniform motion can be described or explained. Okay, after that we know the properties of uniform motion or non-uniform motion, characteristics. Let us we know the characteristics of uniform motion. Characteristics of uniform motion. First, so characteristics of uniform motion. The moving body covers equal distance in equal interval. First, moving body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Equal interval of time. Okay, the moving body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, and the graph between distance and time is a straight line. Graph between time and distance will be a straight line. इसमें टाइम और डिस्टेंस के बीच जो ग्राफ होगा वो स्ट्रेट लाइन होता है. ओके, एंड द मोशन इज नॉन एक्सेलरेटेड. द मोशन इज नॉन एक्सेलरेटेड. मोशन कैसा होता है? नॉन एक्सेलरेटेड होता है. ओके, दिस इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. Moving body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. The graph between time and distance will be a straight line. The graph प्राप्त होता है, and the motion is non-accelerated. Motion कैसा होता है? Non-accelerated होता है. Understanding? Now characteristics of non-uniform motion. Let us know the characteristic of non-uniform motion. Characteristic of non-uniform motion. Okay, just opposite है इसका non-uniform का. First है the moving body does not cover equal distance in equal interval of time. Okay, the moving body does not cover, only here doesn't cover equal distance in equal interval of time. And second, the graph between distance and time will be curved line. इसमें curved line का ग्राफ प्राप्त होता है. Okay, curved line. The graph between time and distance will be curved line. Okay, and third characteristics, उसमें motion नॉन एक्सेलरेटेड होता था और इसमें एक्सेलरेटेड होता है. ओके, द मोशन इज एक्सेलरेटेड. द मोशन इज एक्सेलरेटेड, नॉट नॉन एक्सेलरेटेड. So these are the characteristics of uniform and non-uniform motion. Let us know average speed now. अब एवरेज स्पीड के बारे में. एवरेज स्पीड क्या होता है? स्टॉप. Okay, dear students, let us know about average speed and instantaneous speed. क्या होता है? Average speed, it is defined as the ratio of the total distance covered by the total time average speed. As average speed, formula for average speed, total distance covered by total time taken. Okay, suppose that the total distance covered by any object is 300, okay, total distance, and time taken is 15 seconds, okay, and 300 meter. Then what is its average speed? Average speed इसका क्या होगा? 15 to 20, that is 20 meter per second. This is the average speed. Total distance covered by total time taken is known as average speed. Okay, it is also find that, okay, average speed u plus v by 2, इससे भी एवरेज निकालते हैं, टोटल स्पीड and divided by total time taken. Okay, u plus v by d. Now instantaneous speed क्या होता है? What is instantaneous speed? Okay, so when the speed of a body changes continuously with time, okay, when the speed of a body changes continuously with time, so its speed at any instant, then it is known as instantaneous speed. Okay, as the time, let the time taken between lightning and thunder, जो आकाश में बिजली चमकती है और उसके बाद आवाज प्रोड्यूस होता है, साउंड, तो लाइटनिंग और थंडर दोनों के बीच टाइम इंटरवल है 4 सेकेंड. लेट अस, ओके, तो लेट टाइम टेकन बिटवीन लाइटनिंग एंड थंडर इज 4 सेकेंड. स्पीड ऑफ साउंड इन एयर क्या होता है? 346 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो व्हाट इज इट्स डिस्टेंस? तो डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू हो जाएगा स्पीड इनटू टाइम. तो स्पीड 346 and 4 seconds, so the total distance is 1334 meter. Okay, so this is instantaneous speed. No, now similarly you know that average speed, instantaneous speed, or average velocity. Okay, as like a speed, you know uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity. Okay, average velocity, you know that the speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. Difference is this. Similarly, average speed भी होता है, average velocity भी होता है. Okay, and uniform motion भी होता है, non-uniform motion, uniform speed, non-uniform speed. So non-uniform velocity and uniform velocity you can determine by using this formula. Okay, in this way we have described about average speed and instantaneous speed. After that, in next class I will discuss about the equations of motion. तो equations of motion हम लोग पढ़ेंगे 3 equations of motion non accelerated का. v is equal to u plus at. Okay, equations of motion 3 है. v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So there are 3 equations of motion. Understanding? In the next class we will discuss about these 3 equations of motion and proof. Understand? That's all. Thank you.